Hey, Edgars from Funneltopia here. Quick video on how to process refunds, because inevitably, if you do enough sales, right, we just set up a sales page with a confirmation page, get enough sales for whatever reason, even if it's the best product in the world, you'll get a certain amount of refunds, right? So you're going to be getting emails from people just like, hey, sorry, this isn't what I was looking for, or whatever, it didn't meet my expectations, and I want a refund. So the first thing you do, no questions asked, obviously, you go to payments. And then you go to transactions, and over here you can see your whole transaction list, right? So you find the person and you click on the three dots, refund. And you can give notes, whatever, but that's not completely necessary. Refund amount, full refund, partial refund, whatever the situation is. Most commonly it's just a full refund, but it can also be a partial refund for like an upsell, for example. So let's click on refund, and it shows up as a refund. It should be all good. Then you just send them an email, tell them, hey, it's been processed. Let me know if you have any other questions. And then you can ask them, what was the reason, whatever. But usually do it, at least the way I do it. A lot of people do it. The first they do the refund, all that. And then, usually it's like a no questions asked guarantee that I'm going to refund within 30 days or whatever. But you can ask afterwards. Once it's refunded, you can be like, hey, by the way, they don't have to answer, but it's kind of you can ask it then. But yeah, this is pretty simple. If you have any questions, right under my face here, 24/7 chat support, let us know. Funneltopia related, anything else. But if you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.